What up, YouTube? It is a great morning. We all woke up a little late. We are going to focus today, as far as adventuring, primarily on freshwater. We've got the river down here, we've got some waterfalls, some swimming holes to hike to, and we also might do a little bit of pig hunting on a friend's banana plantation. We're also going to be doing some freshwater fishing down in the rivers in the jungle. Now, I don't think we're going to be getting close to the saltwater today unless it starts raining on us up here in the mountains, and then we're going to skedaddle down to the coast to keep dry. Moo, Mr. Brahma, moo. Our dog buddy is back. Now he's hanging out with cats. Hey, bud. How are you? Are you hanging out with the kitties today? Cat, moo. Thank you. Keep coming, buddy. You can hang out with us once we get to the swimming hole. Okay, we are almost to the end of the road, and then we are going to go down to the river, which is to our left. And we're going to do some fishing and exploring. Hello, how are you? How are my little pupper buds? Hey, are you guys going to go swimming with us today? The girls are already down at the river. I had to sight this gun in real quick. So I got the gun, machete, water shoes, and I'm ready to roll. No sign of the girls, and I hope I'm headed in the right direction. I can hear the water, so I know I'm getting closer. How's the water?
Amazing. It feels great. A little cool, but I mean perfect.
Okay. Okay, y'all. Yeah, she's right there. I was going to point out some of these trees. This is an avocado tree. That one with the skinny leaves is a mango tree. And this tall one with like the hand-looking leaves, that's a papaya tree. A little cold?
Yeah.
It's that mountain stream water.
It is.
Okay, there's some bamboo, and then to the left of it, those are some bananas. I am floating down the river. Liz and Real Babes hiked on up the river, and I'm gonna hike on up there and meet them. I don't know if y'all can see, there's a bromeliad and a bunch of air plants up there in the crook of that tree. There's a ton of bromeliads all over these trees. What do y'all see?
So Liz found a fruit that she loves, but she doesn't know what it is. We're going to bring it to you to see if you knew.
Okay. I think those are leche.
These are...
No, it's not fuzzy.
Costa Rica. They taste like a Sour Patch Kid, but they turn bright orange when they're ripe.
Yeah, it's a kumquat.
Is it?
Yeah, yeah. The skin is sweet and the flesh is sour.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, they're kumquats. They're awesome.
I love these.
Yeah.
But I
We
can't
couldn't
remember
figure out
where
what
the
tree was coming from.
Yeah.
We are going to hike back up to the road and drive to another spot. We're in the middle of the jungle. Real Babe's phone just rang. It like jolted everyone back to civilization for a second.
Yeah, we're like, whoa, the phone works here, and of course it's spam, right?
Liz has got the machete for bushwhacking. What's that?
Maybe it's not the place.
Yeah, I think it was that other trail.
You're right.
That is an interesting snail.
Oh yeah, that's the same one that I found.
Yeah.
It's smaller, or the one I found was smaller.
Yeah, I've been seeing a ton of butterflies, monarchs too.
Yeah, I think that was
Oh, he's a baby.
Yeah, that's what Liz was saying. Look at the little baby.
We are at a second, well, it's not really the second spot, just someplace we wanted to check out on the way to the second spot. Okay, you can see the river behind me, and it's pretty much the same as the river we came from. It is the same river, but it's the same type of terrain. I think we're gonna go look for a waterfall. Adios, doggies. Real Babes is navigating. We are all regretting not bringing the frozen water bottles because something cold to drink would be awesome right now. I love these cliffs. Okay, y'all can see the road right there with the culverts, and to the right where it was washed out during a storm. Gallo and gallo. We are heading up to a waterfall further up in the mountains, and it looks like we're getting some rain up there, so that might be a bust, but we're gonna give it a shot. And we're starting to get a little bit of rain on the windshield, y'all. Hang on. It is definitely raining up in the mountains, y'all. There is a little waterfall. This, you can see, was a mudslide that they had to cut through. This is pretty interesting. Part of the road is washed away, so they've just turned that section into one lane. Can you see how far it went down? A good chunk.
Yeah. It's gonna
Wow.
take a lot to rebuild that.
We stopped to show you this little waterfall up there. You can hear it, and it goes down a good ways. It's covered up with all these beautiful birds of paradise. There's papaya. This is a big avocado tree. There's actually some bird of paradise blooming up there. Y'all can see the orange flowers. You want to hike down there to the waterfall?
I don't know how we get back up.
We might not be hiking to this waterfall. Yeah, there's Jesus hiding out in the little cave. Oh, that was Mary, sorry. Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. We stopped here for a cold drink. It's a Koki. And for you, young lady?
I'll do the same.
The same? Okay.
Down throughout the Caribbean and whatnot. And,
Pronounce both of them, medalla.
medalla.
So, but if you say quick, medalla.
There on the side.
Oh yeah, I think that's gallabera, but I'm not sure. Or it could be breadfruit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah.
I wonder what it is.
You can hear the river down there. Hi, Mama Dog. Liz is constantly making canine companion buddies. We are drinking down some cold beverages over at Juan's little bar, and we started asking about cockfighting, and according to him, after Hurricane Maria, it's not nearly as popular as it was. It's primarily all the old guys that are still doing it, 60s and 70s years old. So we're gonna try to find one.
But I'm very protective too, you know?
Oh, yeah.
You know? But I've been able to run a big, right?
But it was perfect
Awesome.
because there was the lights here with only like 2 flashlights I had here. Like 20 people here.
Yeah, perfect for
asking drinks.
Halloween.
You know, it wasn't easy, but I managed.
Great. Well, we're coming to the Halloween party.
All right,
We'll see you
sounds
soon,
good.
Ro.
Okay.
Thank you so
All right,
much.
sure.
That was an absolute excellent stop. We're now coming back the 29th for a Halloween party, and I'm really excited about that. Traffic jam in the mountains, y'all. Those are guinea fowl, y'all. Look at the guineas. Beep, beep, beep. Another waterfall right off the road, y'all. Okay, YouTube, the building behind me I recognized as far as the architecture of it and knew it was a cockfighting ring. It's for sale, because like Raul was saying, cockfighting has sort of fell out of favor, especially with the younger generations. But you can see the sign work right there. You can see the two roosters. Coliseo Jalisco del Sur. This is the Southern Cockfighting Coliseum. I am gonna do my best to get y'all to an active cockfighting ring while we're on this trip. Oh, there we are. I went with chicharrón de pollo, which is fried chicken skin, and it's awesome. We just grubbed down, and now we are heading back. We got to meet a friend at 6. No dogs humping in the road tonight. How odd.
I was like, oh, this is really good.
Wow. It's pretty.
And it is pretty. We are back at the villa. We're gonna get some packing ready and getting ready for another adventure tomorrow. And we got some friends coming over tonight. Hola.
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 Share some food.
Thank you, thank you.
Yeah. And they gave me some recommendations to like make things different. Right.
The best PITORRO of Puerto Rico.
Okay.
Right. That was great. Oh my gosh, that poor girl. She was like, I'm pretty sure she was like,
Cheers.
Oh, cheers. Gracias. Oh, wow. That is incredible. That is really good and smooth. Lots of,
okay.
yeah, very prominent sugar forward. Finishes real sugary,
What's the fruit?
like cane.
Almond and coconut.
Almond and coconut?
No. Almond.
Almond and coconut.
Ah, see.
Wow.
Isn't
Very
that?
smooth.
Yeah.
Oh, I can smell almond.
Yeah.
Smell it.
Yeah.
The almond.
And the coconut. Yeah.
Almonds like.
That is the Puerto Rican boa. That's a big one too. That is gorgeous.
Can I see?
Yeah.
So you could
Ah.
like literally sell like what you had there, and it would pay for the
Oh,
same
it's
thing.
beautiful.
You didn't like, man. We will see y'all. So we'll see you Saturday for sure.
Yeah.
I'm excited about Saturday. Well, everyone just left. We sat around, talked a lot about fishing, a lot about hunting, made a bunch of plans. We're going to check out our friend's finca on Saturday. And finca is farm. They grow coffee and oranges and soursop. And I'm really excited to go check out their finca. I've never been there. I've only seen pictures, and it looks incredible. So I think I am going to sign off YouTube, and I actually think I'm going to finish some editing, hit that pool, and get ready for tomorrow. We're not sure what we're doing, but like always, y'all are always coming with us, and we will see y'all tomorrow.